Hello guys, an easy and free tool. It's a cool one to hide your taskbar. Go on Microsoft Store, download TranslucentTB and then click on it. It's a free, so install. All you have to do is install it and then it will run right away. So we do open and then continue. That's it. Now if you notice my taskbar is invisible. The way if you want to adjust it, press on the arrow in here, TB, press on it, go on desktop, and then normal, which is the normal one over here, and then you can do it clear, which is the one first that comes by default once you run it, is the clear one, and over here you can do like that, acrylic. Also, you can get to choose your own personal co color, I believe. That should work at some point. So we gotta do normal and then we go in here, so here, then accent color, and then we change it over here. So you want to do a red, whatever. Just a cool in case you want to customize your desktop. That's a nice one and it's a free tool. Thank you for watching.